Hello everyone, welcome to GVRD Automation World. Right, this is the continuation of our 30-day Java programming challenge. This is the day 15. Right, if anyone haven't watched previous programming challenges, please go and watch and solve them. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe to it. Enable notification for more interesting videos. Right, coming to day 15 programming challenge. Right, a little tricky question. Check if given number is an Armstrong number or not. Given Check if given number is Armstrong or not. What is Armstrong number? First of all, right? First of all, if you know Armstrong number, then only we can do any logic. We can write it. What is Armstrong number? Suppose this is the 153 is the input. 153 is the input. Now, first we have to count. First we have to count how many digits are there. Right? Count how many digits. First we have to calculate how many digits are there. 3, 1, 5, 3, 3 digits. So each number 1, right, I have to multiply 3 times. 5, I have to multiply 3 times. 3, I have to multiply 3. Then sum it. 1, if we multiply 3 times, 1 only. 5 power of 3, 125. 3 power of 3, 27. Sum is 153. Original number and the sum is both are same. It is called Armstrong number. Right? Suppose if we take this is 4 digits, right? 4 digits. Now what we have to do? 9 power of, right? 9 power of 4 plus, right? 4 power of 4 plus 7 power of 4, right? Plus 4 power of 4. Each number, how many digits are there? Those many times each number we have to multiply. Then if sum of those, right, individual numbers is equal to original number, that is called Armstrong number. Otherwise not an Armstrong number. Right, I think everyone got the problem statement. Please whoever joined, please start the program. Once it is done, please paste your program in the comment section. Please don't try to use any predefined functions. Alright, first we'll try with without using any predefined functions. Right, first we have to, what we have to do, first we have to find the count. Right, how many, without using any predefined functions. Then sum it, get one by one digit and multiply those many times. How many digits are there? Those many times. Sum it and see if both are equal or not. Right, okay, I am starting. Please start whoever joined. Right, day 15 challenge. Okay, we'll write the main program. Okay, I will take the input as 153. Right, please. Then I will write a here one more program. Public boolean, right, is Armstrong number. Is Armstrong number. Right, I'm taking the input. Right, then first we need to calculate the, right, interval number of digits. Right, number of digits. Calculate number of digits first. Right, take the input. Then how to count it? Suppose I will take a into count equal to 0 initially. Okay, then while input greater than 0, until greater than 0, right, get the each input. Suppose if it is greater than 0, now what we can do, C, right, input equal to input vector. Now we'll do right plus C. Suppose input is greater than 0, right, then increase 1, we'll do C++, okay, increase 1 and then again remove the last digit, still it is greater than 0, increase it, right, up to greater than 0, then return count, right, return C, right, provide static int, then number of digits, here I will call int digits equal to number of digits. Okay, we get the number of digits. Now again we need to get the one by one while input greater than 0, while input greater than 0. Now what I have to get one by one digit, right, one by one digit, that means last digit. First I have to get the last digit. How we will get a last digit? Input percentile, right, input percentile 10, we will get the last digit, then we have to do the sum of, right, int sum, right, how to do sum? I have to do this digit with these many times. I have to multiply last digit. Suppose this is a last digit, means we are getting 3. Suppose how many digits? 3. That means I have to multiply 3 times, right, without using any functions. Then we can write a one more method, that calculate something, calculate or multiply something, multiply. How many times? First we need to get the number. What is the number? And int number of times, right, number of times we want to multiply it. How to multiply? We can multiply for int I equal to 1 to I less than or equal to number of times, right, number of times I plus plus. If we are sending 3 means it will iterate 3 times, then we will take a one more int, right, and output something equal to 1. Okay, we have to multiply this output, we have to multiply output equal to output into number, right, we have to multiply same number, right. First we will output is 1 into number 3, then 3 again, 3 again, 3 times it will multiply, then return the output, right. Then we have to call this, where we need to call, here we need to call, right, sum equal to sum plus multiply last, multiply what is the last digit and the number of times, right, how many digits are there. Right, suppose we can store this number in the original, right, we can store, right, int original equal to input, then we can validate once it is done, return original, right, original equal to sum, suppose. Now that is a Armstrong number, right? Just we can call if is Armstrong, okay, is Armstrong number input, right? If it is a Armstrong number, wait, try catch it is asking. Cannot make static reference non-static. That is okay. Just change it to static. Right. If it is a Armstrong number, just print it. Right. Given number is input. Right. Armstrong number. Right. Else given number is not Armstrong number. Again, let me execute whether it is working, code is working or not. Something is wrong. Right, execute it. Right, something is going wrong. Right, something is we missed. Where we missed? Number of digits. Okay, number of digits is fine. Input. Okay, here we got the mistake. Right, we are taking last digit adding, but we have to remove the last digit again. Right, from the input we have to remove the last digit. Then only it will take next to last digit. Right. Let's see. Now it is working as expected. Right, 153 is Armstrong. One more Armstrong number. What it is? Right, 949474. This is also a Armstrong number. Right, we'll see. See, this is also a given number is Armstrong number. Right, suppose if I give wrong, right, we have to suppose 1 to 1. Let's say this is not a Armstrong number. Right, what we have done here, right, whoever completed, please paste your program in the comment section. Right, this is a little bit lengthy program because we are not using any predefined functions. Right, first we have to calculate the number of digits. Right, to calculate number of digits we have just a reverse program. Right, we have already learned how to reverse. Right, just get the each digit, right, last digit, right, divided by 0, we will get the last digit. Right, we can count it how many numbers are there. Then one more function to multiply. We have to each number, right, how many number. If we give 3 digits means each number we have multiplied 3 times. 4 digits means 4 times. 5 digits means 5 times. We have to multiply. This is one more method. Then main method Armstrong. Right, while greater than 0, take the last digit and multiply it number of digits, how many each number, how many digits are there, those many times multiply it and then divide. That means we will get again, suppose in first we have a 153. Right, first we are getting 3. Right, multiply 3 with 3 times, store in the sum. Then we are removing last digit. That means 15 again. 15. It is greater than 0. Again take the 5, multiply 3 times and store in the sum. Right, then take again divided by 10. We will get 1. Right, this is also 1 is also greater than 0. Then sum it. Right, and now it will become 0. Now we will validate is original equal to sum. Then that is a Armstrong number. A little bit lengthy program. Right, just practice. Right, whoever joined the right challenge, thanks for them. Please post your answers. Whoever did not get a chance, please take some time and solve the program and paste in the comment section. Please subscribe to the channel, enable notification. Thanks for watching.